Radhika Sharma joins us to review the Zinc tablet. Radhika, is it worth the money?
Well, this is the first Android ICS, that's ice cream sandwich tablet, available in India. Zinc is an Indian company that's based out of Delhi, so this is the first homegrown tablet. Now, right off the block, in terms of design, this is a 7-inch tablet, yes, and it's plastic and it doesn't look that bad, but it does give you, I wouldn't want to use the word cheap, but let's say lesser than average feel. Also, since it's got a 7-inch touchscreen, it's got a 1.2 GHz processor, it's got about 4 GB of internal storage, which can be got up to about 32 GB. On the side, it's got a full USB port, which is very difficult to find on small tablets. Also, it's got an HDMI out, a micro SD slot, your 3.5mm audio jack and everything else. Now, when it comes to purely using the tablet, the touchscreen is just plain bad. It takes too much time to slide across, and all the icons just look a bit low resolution because the screen is not HD. Since this runs ICS, it's actually a pretty huge load on this tablet, and that's why even when you click on certain functions, it takes a while for it to respond, which will get you quite annoyed by the time you use this tablet. In terms of the videos that play on it, it's all jittery. It's just the fact that ICS is just so heavy that this tablet looks like it has to go through another iteration to get up to speed. For 9,000 rupees, I wouldn't say that you should buy the Zinc tablet right now. Buy the next version when they get their act together. But right now, 9,000 rupees even on Android ICS is not a good deal yet. Wait for something from Samsung to come out if you want something on Android, or the iPad 3 is going to be here in some time. Put your money on that.